How to redeem Microsoft gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can redeem Microsoft gift card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in redeem Microsoft code, then press enter in your keyboard. After that, from the search results, head towards the first link on your interface. And from here, click on redeem code. After that, if you are not logged in into your Microsoft account, you will be asked to enter your login credential in order to log in. So simply provide your login credential and get logged into your Microsoft account. Then you'll be taken into this page where you can add your code. So here, type in your redeem code or your gift card code. After that, click on next. Then follow some prompts to apply it to your account. And once you have redeemed your gift card code, your gift card balance will be added to your Microsoft account and you can use that for various application, games, and subscriptions. And that's how you can redeem your Microsoft gift card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.